Hello everyone. In this video, I will show you how to apply for US Diversity Visa program. It's free and it's online. So definitely apply for this beautiful opportunity. So let's start how to apply for this US Diversity Visa programs. So just type electronic diversity visa program in Google and the first link will appear. Click on this first link and it will lead you to this page. So before beginning the entry, this is how we can start our entry. So I want you to read the instructions before beginning the entry. So let's click on it. And this instructions page that mentions all the details how to apply for this US diversity visa program. They mention all the details. So definitely check this. And here you can see it has been started from October 4. And the last date is November 7. So it still have a time, so definitely apply for this Diversity Visa 2025 program. Here is the PDF file, so let's click on these instructions where you will see what are the requirements for this US Diversity Visa program and how you can apply for it. They have mentioned all the details in this single PDF file, so definitely read these files. And here they can mention that the US State Department will now issue 55,000 diversity visa. And it is beautiful opportunities, so definitely apply for it. Here you can see this 55,000 diversity visa programs are available. And there is no cost for this online apply. It's free of cost. However, there is some visa applications fees. When you have selected for the diversity visa program, then you will pay some amount of visa application fee. And the online applications is free and there is no cost associated with it. It's free apply. Here you can see. And let's see. So they have mentioned all the details. So I want you to read all the details. It's very simple and it's 21 page. And I mentioned all this frequently asked questions. So definitely read this. So I will discuss the main points here. What are the requirements? And here you will see you just need a 12-year course of formal elementary and secondary education, and or you have a 2-year work experience within the past 5 years. Here you can see this 12-year course formal elementary and secondary educations, and or you have 2-year work experience within the past 5 years. And here as you will see, so who are eligible for these US diversity visa programs? The narrow of those countries whose immigrations to the United States of America have immigration ratio is very low. So they are eligible for it, and they mentions all the countries here. You will see. Yeah, let me show you. Here. This that mentions Africa countries are eligible, Asia, Europe, and North America, South America, Central America, and the Caribbeans. That mentions all those countries whose immigration to the United States of America have historically low ratio. So they invited those countries for this US diversity visa program. They conduct every year a draw, electronic draw, and pick the lucky draws, and they then apply. They then invited the applicants to apply for this visa program. So how right? Let's back to our page. Here they have mentioned some important fraud warnings, and I will definitely share this with you because many of applicants have been victims of this fraud or scams. They clearly mentioned that the US government will not issue an email or a letter to the accepted applicants. You can check your status, and if you are selected, then they will give you an instructions after the draw. So be aware of these scams and these fraud. So they have clearly mentioned that they will not issue email or letter. You can simply check your status of your online entry. And they mentioned that they will not receive notifications or email informing that they are successful diversity visa entrance. So how you can check your status that I've been selected or not? The same page where you are beginning the entry, here at the bottom you will see the check status. After beginning the entry, after submitting the online applicants, then you can check your status and below. So this is how you can check your status, and remember that the US government will not issue a notification or they will not send you an email. So be aware of these scams. If you receive these kind of emails or letters, so it must be a scam, so be aware of it. You can check your status here. Now, they have mentioned some qualifying occupations. If you have some 2-year work experience, so definitely check this occupational list where you will see your occupation. If your occupation is not listed in these, then you are not eligible for these programs. So when you reach this page, click on this link and click go, and it will lead you to this page, which is you will see different kind of occupations that are eligible for this US diversity visa program. It's has been browsing. Yeah. Here you will see all occupations. They mentioned the occupations. So how you can check your occupations in this page, click on the job family, and here you will see a different kind of occupations. For example, if I click on the business and financial occupations, then I will click browse. And here you can see all the occupations. These occupations are eligible for this US diversity visa program. If I click on accountant and auditors, you will see what are the tasks required for this and what technology skills are required and what occupational, what education are requirement for these occupations and where this job zone are located. Here you'll see all the details, and this is how you can check your occupations. So now let's back to our web page, and this page you will see see all the instruction from step 1 to step 10. How you can submit an entry, how you selections of applicants, if you are selected, confirm your qualification, and the whole process has been mentioned here. So this is some instructions that you should read it before beginning the entry, and definitely check your occupations, whether you are eligible or not. After these instructions, take a look of the photo example. Well, this is very careful. You have to submit your photo very carefully, and according to the instructions, you need to submit a photo. That mention it. If you are submitting in person, then your photo ratio be 2:2. But we are submitting an online applicants, our photo must be 600 by 600 pixels. Now click on resolution. It must be in best quality, and digital attestation and reaching be at your 9x. Submit. So this is the online application form. So it's simple and easy. Just fill all the details, all the in details. Just type all the details and then click on submit. So let's start putting all the details. Let's start with the name. So just type your last name, your first name, and your middle name, whatever your middle name is, and choose your gender and give the details of your date of birth. I will tell on phone 1995, and enter birth city. What is your birth city? So your city name and country where you are born. So just choose your country name from the list. Whatever your country is, just choose your country. Your city name, right, and your country. And yes, are you claiming your eligibility? So yes, just definitely check the yes icon. I'm claiming my eligibility for this US Visa Diversity Program. And enter the photograph. Just click on the instructions for the photographs. As you can see, the instructions, we have discussed this in details. So let's back to our online application form and choose our photograph. So let's select it. This is for your example. This is how you can choose your photo. And now put your email address, whatever your address is. And if you have second address, you have to give a detail, your city, town, city or town name, and district of country or province of your state. And the postal code, whatever it is, just post. Give a details and your country. And country where currently you are living today, just give a detail of it. So, and I suggest you, it's an option, but I suggest you to give your phone number, whatever your phone number is, give it, and your email address. Whatever your email is, just type your email is. And give a highest level of qualifications you have. So mine is master's degree, and give a details of your marital status, whatever your marital status is. If you're married, unmarried, divorced, whatever you are, you just choose it. And number of children if you are married or if you have some children, so give a number of your children. And after filling all the details, just click continue. And here you will see all the details you have been put in. So you can review it. If you doubt it, if you fill some details incorrectly, you can correct it. And if you think that all the details are corrected, then click on the submit button. This is how you can apply for our US diversity visa, which is very simple, it's easy, it's free of course. So definitely apply for these beautiful opportunities. And after submitting this online education form, so how you can know that you have been selected or not, because we have discussed it in the scam and the fraud web page, that the US State Department will not send you an email or notifications for your selections, so you can check your status if you are being selected or not. So here it says that I mentioned all the steps from step 1 to step 10. After submitting in online applications, how you can know that I'll select it or not. On or about May 4, 2024, you can check the status of your electronic diversity visas, whether you have been selected or not. So how you can check your entry status after submitting this online application forms? Just click on the electronic diversity visa program. It is the same page that you have applied for the youth diversity visa program. At the bottom, you will see the check status. This is how you can check your status if you have been selected or not. If you have been selected, then they will give you further instruction for the details. And here they also mention it in this web page that all the details have been mentioned here. So apply for these beautiful opportunities, and this is how you can process your online applications. And thank you so much. Thank you for watching this video, and apply for this beautiful opportunity. Thank you.